In this quick video, I'll show you how to save WhatsApp voice messages to gallery. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So as you can see, I have received 2 voice messages from my friend and I want to download it. So for that, firstly go back in your chat and now click on the 3 dots which are available on the top right corner. We just need to tap on it. After that, go to settings here. Once you tap here, scroll down and you will see storage and data. We need to tap on it and again scroll down, and here you can see when using mobile data, we need to click on it and then select audio from here. We need to select it, then click on OK. Now select when connected on Wi-Fi and select here audio as well. We need to tap on it, then click on OK. Now go back and open your chat in your mobile and download voice messages from here, and then they will be downloaded in your mobile. Now to find your voice messages, go back to your home screen and find file manager in your mobile. This is my file manager. I'll open it, and after that go to your phone storage. I'll click on my phone storage and find WhatsApp folder. So this is WhatsApp folder. I'll click on it, then go to media, and now here we need to go to WhatsApp audio, and then you can see all of the audio files and voice messages are here. I can find them and I can also put them into another folder from here. We just need to hold them and now we can cut or copy them into another folder. That's the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.